Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to HPI Auto. We are starting this video inside the truck and trailer. We are currently at Carolina Motorsport Parks. One of our clients recently bought an NPO-1 Evo. It's a really cool kind of race car, and it's a really cool kind of track car, and he's out here testing it all day today. This is going to probably be one of hopefully 4 videos of just non-stop track content. We're starting here today, and then after we're heading to Road Atlanta tonight to do a full weekend with Chin Track Days. I'm really excited about that one. I recently went to Road Atlanta for the first time a couple weeks ago. Really impressive track. So I'm really excited to go back, and yeah, let's get started. So cool. That's just a little Mazda Miata 4-banger engine. So cool. I love these cup cars so much. What's really cool about this is that there's not really like a lot of beginners, or I don't think there's any beginners. It's a more private, more intense, more race car style. A lot of these guys are like SCCA or NASA type drivers, so it's really cool to see just a higher level, but it's not too big of an event, which is nice. This thing is sick. Tons of club sports here. Tons of them. Look at this 2-car combo. You got the Chevy truck, brand new, and then you have the Z06 supercharged being towed. So this is another car that's going to be joining us this weekend in Atlanta. So you got that one, and then you have the Nuremberg spec. I don't think I also explained, but we also have the Super Trofeo Huracan, and then I think we've got a couple other cars. I don't remember off the top of my head. I think another Corvette, to be honest, but I don't really remember. You'll see tomorrow. Our guy's done for the day. This thing is just so sick. So like I said, little Mazda Miata engine, 4-banger powering this thing. Makes not that much power, but such a really cool platform. Dan's really excited to learn on this one. I think he did pretty good. He was saying it's definitely different than his Corvette. Obviously, it's a little bit more analog, a little bit more, you gotta put some more work into it than necessary. But I'm excited to see how this and the Corvette do at Road Atlanta. But that is going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you are curious about getting on track, I've left the link to check out the information in the description below. Get in contact with us, send us a DM. If you really want to get on track, we will send you our schedule, tell you where we're going, and you can join in on the fun. It's a lot of fun. I really encourage you guys to get out on track your cars, wanting to learn that lifestyle and just learn how to be a better driver. Dan loves going to the track. I love going to the track. So yeah, let's get you out here. But Road Atlanta tonight for the next 3 days. So expect tons more content from the track. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.